How to receive money on PayPal. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to receive money on PayPal. Whether you're getting paid by a client or receiving money from friends and family, this guide will walk you through the steps. So let's get started. To receive money on PayPal, the sender needs your PayPal email address. So make sure you share the exact email associated with your PayPal account to avoid any issues. This is the address where people will send the money. Once the money is sent to your PayPal email, you'll receive a notification, either by email or through the PayPal application. You can click on the notification to view the details of the payment. After receiving the notification, head over to paypal.com or open the PayPal app and log in with your email and password. So once logged in, click on the Activity tab at the top of the page to view your recent transactions. And here, you'll see the payment listed. Click on it to see more details and confirm that you've received the money. At this point, the money is available in your PayPal balance, so you can either decide to keep it there in your PayPal account for future use, or you can choose to transfer it to your bank account, which I covered in a previous video. And that's how you receive money on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching.